I'm Michael Wright. Normally on this channel I do miscellaneous adventures and things, whether it be kayaking, scuba diving, geocaching, whatever. And someone asked me a question the other day, Mike, why don't you have more followers? And I thought to myself, that's a really good question. Why don't I? And I thought the answer was you. You are the reason. Not you, the viewer, but me. Me, you. You, me. I'm to blame. And I thought maybe it's because maybe I just don't take things serious enough. Maybe my footage just isn't cinematic enough. So I decided that I was going to make a nice cinematic hiking video that is super serious to see if that will get me more followers and likers and subscribers and all those things that we just long for here on YouTube. So anyways, without further ado, here's my cinematic hiking video. So I hope you liked that super serious cinematic hike. It was a lot of fun to make, and if you did like it, click the me likey button. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to get out and do some adventures and things.